Good afternoon, everybody. Mr. Wonderful here. Hope you're doing fantastic. I haven't been able to do a video for a couple of days. It's been so hot here, like unbelievably hot. It's hotter than a hot thing, you know what I mean? So this is a custom order. I was at the market yesterday. This guy came along, Finnish guy. And he tried a few of the rings on, but it didn't fit. So I said I'd make him one and I'll take it tomorrow. So here we go. Same old, same old. We've got a punch hole in it. Hope everybody's doing dandy. I am the dandy highwayman. Right. I've got a bit of a leak. Big Bertha's dripping on me, as usual. She doesn't care. You're a naughty girl. Right. Let's bang a hole in it. This is Big Bertha, my 20-ton hydraulic press. Just in case you're new to the channel. If you are, welcome. Hit that little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video, and you're automatically subscribed. No obligation, it's free, and you get to see me muck things up and, you know. Yeah, it's been really, really hot. Not complaining, I do like the heat. But so humid, no air or... Right. You just want to clean up the edge. About straightening up the camera though, wouldn't it? Right. You just want to clean it up, make sure there's no cracks forming or splits. I've got a new thing on the market now for sale, fridge magnets. But I don't make them, my friend makes them. They're made of 3D, they're 3D printed. It's a snowflake with Finland on it. Right, how's that looking? Not too shabby. So, I'm going to go over, try a little doming block, and he wants, yeah, Finnish Republic that is, saw me. He wants that on the outside of the ring. So it goes face down in our little doming block. You aren't too bothered about the date. So, we'll go over to Big Red, and we'll just give it a bit of the old 1-2. I think I should give it a bit of love with Bernie. I think that is more than sufficient. All right. Yeah, that's good. Let's dry it off. I didn't even look to see if that was in shot when I was doing Bernie, but I'm sure we'll find out very, very soon. Let's put a little bit of the old coconut oil in there. Yeah, it's a little bit cooler today, so I thought get in there and get a video done for Saturday and one for Sunday. Let's go back over to Big Red again. Yeah, I know I've missed a few videos, but sorry. It's just too damn hot. Right. Okay, I'm back. I found me sandpaper. This one makes there's no cracks or splits forming. That doesn't look too bad. Right, let's stick it on spike. Kitchen roll. There he is. Looking good. Like a spike should. Right. The kitchen roll just protects the inside of the coin. You don't lose any of the detail. Give a bit of a turn each time. It stretches the wing equally all the way around, or hopefully. I think I'll give it a bit more love again. Let's work hardening. Right, that should do the job. A little bit of the old quenching. Just dry it up quickly. And I'm back. Bloody hell, it's warming up in here. You don't have to do anything, you're sweating your guts out. Right, get a couple more pumps. Let's see what we've got. Right, there you go. No cracks, no splits. But I'm going to heat it up again. Because this coin all of a sudden is really hard. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there. I can adjust the size for you, up or down. Or you can contact me, see what coins I've got. I've got loads of different coins, different dates. You can even send me your own coins. So, I think we can take this one out, take the big daddy out, put the little baby one in. Right, what do we got? We've got that, a little bit of Luby-Loo. And I'll give it a bit of the old one too. It went a little bit too much. That's okay. I think I'll just give it a couple of pumps back on the spike. It went a bit too much, but you could always stick it on spike and you'll sort of start again. Okay. Right, we're back to square one again. See, it's just cone shaped. That's the thing, is you don't want to go too much. It which I did. Right, what size we got? What do we got? 9. He was looking for a 9.5, but there's a slight ridge in here which I've got to take out. So let's rip that out and see what we've got left. Hello. Right, that's good. What size we got now? We've got a 9.5. Oh, there you go. 9.5. Right, let's clean it up with Kate. And he wanted the Edwin look. So this is the Edwin look, and I don't polish it. It's my favourite look as well. But I will clear coat this for him as well, which takes just a day to dry. Right, what we got? So I call this the Edwin look. It's not polished, it's just like a satin look. But everybody calls them satin look, so we call them the Edwin look here. As my fingers are filthy, as soon as I touch it, it goes a bit sad. But I'll be clear coating this. There you go. His name, well, everybody calls him Mark. But it's not his real name. Finnish, I can't pronounce his name. So there you go, Mark. Hope you like it, mate. I'll clear coat this I'll clear coat this after the video, and I'll bring it to work tomorrow. And I'll clean it up a bit more, but I need to wash my hands. Okay, mate. So what we got? It fits my finger perfectly. Thank you all for subscribing, and you know, your comments. You got any ideas? Drop them down. Let's hear them. I'd like to hear your comments. If there's something you want me to do, besides bugger off, I'll gladly do it. So bye bye. Have a great weekend, and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.